If you are a hardcore fan of Steelbird, do not watch this video.
ये हेलमेट आज तक ये टेक्नोलॉजी किसी ने लॉन्च नहीं करी है.
That's actually not true. That's not true. I wanted to do a comparison with a marketing video launched by Steelbird, so we can see if they have all the features which is claimed in that video in this helmet. So let's get right into it.
Love you all guys. Love you all. Come on. Come on. मैं भी सुनना चाहता हूं तुमसे. Love you all. Now we launch a product of the day. वैसे product of a day तो सारे ही हैं. Let's play an AV please.
Let them know.
Let's go. Continue straight.
I think this means that you can integrate this helmet with the Bluetooth headset. That's what they mean, I believe.
Straight.
Wide range of sensors.
In 0.6 miles, turn left.
Okay, they're showing a lot of visors in here, like iridium visor, night vision visor, blue visor, green visor, red visor, and a lot of helmet colors as well. Currently, we don't have any of these. Like if you check these in Flipkart, Amazon, or in Steelbird website itself, you don't have these visors available. So if there is some particular visor which came along with your helmet, that will be all. Like all you can do is just probably get a night vision visor or the clear visor from their side. You don't have this many visor options available anymore, or the colors as well. So they have only a few set of colors which are available in their website, and there are only a few set of colors which are available in Amazon or Flipkart. So this part of the video is not exactly relevant right now. So let me skip this part and go straight to the place where he actually talks.
Steelbird Aeronautics ये हेलमेट नाका टेक्नोलॉजी पे बना हुआ है. जो आपको भी इस पे डक्स देखी, हवाई जहाज में यही डक्स लगी होती हैं, फरारी कार्स में यही डक्स लगी होती हैं. इससे इनफ्लो ऑफ द एयर बहुत हाई होता है. गाड़ियों के इंजन जो हैं वो गर्म हो जाते हैं, तो फरारी रेसिंग कार्स में यही डक्ट यूज.
He said that it's used in Ferrari and other jet engines, but it was also used in many other cars during 1970s. That's okay, that part. And what he says is that there will be a lot of air intake through this, which is not exactly true, because the exact reason of failure for this NACA duct system is because it was not able to take a lot of air through the system.
यूज होती है. मैं खुद एक राइडर हूँ, मोटरसाइकिल चलाता हूँ, रैलीज करता हूँ, तो मुझे पता है कि यार हेलमेट पहनने के बाद गर्मी बहुत लगती है, और हमारे इंडिया में गर्मी बहुत होती है. सो वी हैव डेवलप्ड दिस हेलमेट. ये एयर से भी सुपर टेक्नोलॉजी है, जो नाका डक्ट के थ्रू इसके अंदर सारी एयर फ्लो करेगी, विच इज वेरी हाई फ्लो ऑफ द एयर. इसके बाद इंपोर्टेड हेलमेट नहीं बिकेगा, ये मैं तुम्हें आज बता रहा हूँ. इसके अंदर डबल वाइजर भी है.
These models are not available right now.
It has double visor also, and it has single visor also.
This is the single visor model which he is talking about.
इस हेलमेट के अंदर 10 तरह के वाइजर हैं, 10 तरह के.
Not available anymore.
क्रोम, ब्लू, रेनबो, सिल्वर, नाइट विजन के 3. उसके बाद जो इसकी खासियत है, इसके अंदर जो वाइजर लगा है वो लगा है फोटोक्रोमेटिक वाइजर। ये दिन में ब्लैक हो जाएगा और रात में व्हाइट रहेगा।
Photochromatic is a technology, like if you are a 90s kid or 80s kid, you will know that when you are studying in your school or somewhere in your college, the guys who are wearing the glasses, some glasses used to turn dark in the daytime and plain in the indoors. So that is photochromatic effect. So they have a visor for it. There are many other companies which has a photochromatic visor to it. I know one from Shoei. Shoei has something called a transition visor. So that visor does exactly the same. And I'm pretty sure there are many other helmet brands which provide photochromatic visors. So let's see.
ये हेलमेट आज तक ये टेक्नोलॉजी किसी ने लॉन्च नहीं करी है।
That's actually not true. That's not true.
ये फोटोक्रोमेटिक वाइजर है। जैसे जैसे धूप तेज होगी वाइजर डार्क होता जाएगा, जैसे जैसे रात होगी वाइजर लाइट होता जाएगा। इसके जो इंटीरियर्स हैं आर ऑसम इंटीरियर्स।
Awesome interiors. I don't remember seeing anything else apart from the padding. I don't know what he means by awesome interiors. Okay, anyway, we can continue the video.
इसकी फिटमेंट फैंटास्टिक, इसके कंफर्ट लेवल सारे के सारे पैट्रिक ने डिजाइन करे एंड इट्स इटालियन टीम हु हैज डिजाइन दिस एंड दिस इज एरोनॉटिक्स ब्रांड। इसके अंदर भी सारी
He says it in a way that this is a separate brand which Steelbird is importing and giving it to us. It's not that. Aeronautics is a brand by Steelbird only. It's just a different series, that's it.
सारी रेंज आ रही है। जैसे एयर में आपको सारी रेंज मिलनी शुरू हो गई है, हाइजन में मिलनी शुरू हो गई है, एरोनॉटिक्स में भी आपको सारी रेंज मिलेगी बिकॉज ये विंड टनल में जब टेस्टिंग हुई इसकी तो इसके रिजल्ट्स वर ऑसम। इसमें हेलमेट पहन के स्वेटिंग होगी कि नहीं होगी?
That's not actually true. Because I've actually test driven this helmet, and what he claims there is not exactly true. Because there are two things to it. One, the way you design your NACA duct system, that's one thing. And the second thing is that basically a NACA duct system will need a lot of air to get inside these inlets to actually do the cooling effect here. And when do you get a lot of air inside your helmet? Especially when you're going in high speeds, when you're in a highway and all that. You don't get this when you're inside your city, when you're doing the low speed rides and 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers. You don't get it at that speed. So like when do you exactly sweat? You sweat during that times. You sweat when you are riding your bike in 10 kilometer speed, 20 kilometer speed, 30 kilometer speed, maximum 40 kilometer speed. That's when you really start to sweat. So beyond that, when you are like 50 kilometers, at 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers, 80 kilometers, anyway, in all helmets, not just this helmet, any helmet you buy will have some kind of ventilation system to it. So it will have some ventilations here. There will be some kind of ventilation systems to it, and that will definitely help to cool your helmet. It's not going to ultimately sweat inside your helmet when you are going at high speeds, and that's one. And the NACA design itself is not supported when you are driving with less air force to it. So forget it. Whatever he says that it's not going to, you're never going to sweat. That's not exactly true, because you will sweat in the city riding conditions, and I have test driven this helmet and I know that it sweats. It does sweat in traffic. When you're waiting in the traffic, when you're riding slowly in the traffic, you will sweat. This is not going to save you there. Okay, let's continue the video.
इसका प्राइस is only 2999.
This is my actual problem here. See, you claim whatever you want. See, you can have a funky paint like this. You can have not many Indian helmets actually come in very vibrant colors like this, or neon, or something more vibrant. Not many Indian brands do that, but they have done that. That's okay. But see, by just having these ducts which does not even work properly, and then having multiple visor options during that time, now you don't have whatever comes with your helmet, you get that. Some helmets come with the iridium visors, you get iridium. Some helmets come with the clear visors like this, you get that. So some helmets come with smoke visors, you get that. And if you want any particular visor, suppose tomorrow if I want a red iridium visor, I cannot order it from anywhere. It's not available in Amazon, it's not available in Flipkart, it's not even available from their website. So I don't think that they manufacture this anymore. So that is my real problem here. See, you say that your helmet is around 2,999, which is again not the reality, because this helmet costed me around 3,200, I believe. So it's not even exactly 3,000. It's the 3,200, and this is the cheapest, I guess, because this has the clear visor, and probably if you have a smoke visor and chrome visor or a different kind of visor, it's going to cost you a lot more.
आप इंपोर्टेड हेलमेट जो बेचते हैं बेचना छोड़ दोगे, मैं आज बता रहा हूं.
See, people buy imported helmets primarily for their safety, then for the features it provides. This, I'm not sure how safe this is, and feature-wise, this doesn't have any feature. So this is just a regular Steelbird helmet with the funky paint and this NAC duct, which doesn't work at low speeds where you need it most. So I don't know why we should not get any foreign imported helmets and go with this. He still hasn't given any reason for us. He claims many things, but those things are not actually here. So I don't know why he wants us to throw on those, or why he wants the dealers to not sell any of those helmets and sell only this. I don't understand. But anyway, let's go further.
The starting price of this helmet is only 2,999 and goes up to 5,000 something, क्योंकि इसका वाइजर 3400 रुपए का है. सिर्फ ये फोटोक्रोमेटिक वाइजर जो है इसकी कीमत है 3400 रुपए. हेलमेट की कीमत इसकी अगर ट्रांसपेरेंट वाइजर के साथ बात करेंगे तो 2,999. So what all you are selling imported brands, this helmet is going to kill all the imported brands.
No, it's not going to kill any imported brand. It's not even going to kill any Indian brand. See, there are other companies like Vega who manufacture absolutely awesome helmets. So you cannot even compete with Vega. Forget imported helmets.
And this, all super bikers want this helmet.
No super biker wants this helmet. Especially, I don't have a super bike with me right now. I only have a Duke 250, which I don't consider as a super bike, and even I don't want this helmet. I don't know what he says by that.
So now let's rock. Thank you.
So that's it. I think this is a 5-minute video, and we have skipped some portions of it where he was talking about the visor and all that. Yeah, so a lot of marketing, a lot of sales pitch, but the helmet actually doesn't do the job. So that's what it is. If you like more automobile content, please like, share, and then subscribe our channel for more awesome videos.